Okay, we're making the Vietnamese staple, Thit Kho, and we're gonna make a lot of it because I have 2 things of pork belly I need to use. So I grew up in a white household, adopted. I am Vietnamese though. So I didn't grow up traumatized by this dish the way that some other people on TikTok sort of describe it. So to me, it's a delight. But I'm gonna make enough to eat for a week so I can be sick of it. Out of solidarity, obviously. Cube it up. I definitely don't have enough shallot. I might put some red onion in as a substitute. Let's cut some shallot. I'll cut a little bit of red onion. Ah! Oh no, garlic everywhere. Let's get a bunch of garlic. It's about like 4 cloves. So our garlic and onion. Let's add some fish sauce, some MSG, some black pepper. Mix it up. Cover, put in the fridge for about an hour, and then we'll be back. Okay, so it's been about an hour, smelling good. Now we can start on cooking it. Now, all I'm gonna do is just caramelize some sugar. I've used rock sugar for this before. I'm just gonna use light brown sugar right now. I don't know how much we want in here. This much. I don't want this to burn. Add a little bit of water to this. Okay, now we can add in the pork belly. I think I needed a little more sugar. I didn't like the way that sugar came out, so I'm gonna do this. I'll take some rock candy sugar. I'm gonna break this up a bit. Put this in here. Okay, I'm gonna have this cook, and then when the sugar's done, I'm gonna transfer it to this wok. Okay, the sugar looks good, so I'm gonna put this pork in here. And this is what we want. Okay, so you're supposed to use coconut soda for this. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna do a mixture of coconut water and seltzer. Cover this, have it braise for a little bit, and then come back. So this has been going for about 30 minutes. What I'm gonna do is skim off some of this gunky stuff. Let's get our quail eggs. And let's put them in and mix them up. While that's going, I'm gonna cut up some green onion. I'm also gonna cut up some Thai chilies for a little spice. I'm gonna take some of the seeds out. Put the chili in now. Okay, so most liquid has evaporated. We're pretty much good. A little more black pepper, the green onion. Let's get some rice. Let's try this. Okay, a little egg, a little pork belly, some rice. Hot. That was good. I didn't fuck it up. Nice. That's a win. Okay, I'm gonna finish eating this. Goodbye.